What's going on YouTube? My name is Todd.
My name is Cam.
And this is Enigma Garage. Alright guys, so we have about 6 vehicles in here. We have this Miata that is Cam's. He's going to go over all that with you. We got some big goals for this one. We already have a 2003 Kia Spectra on low boost, is 330 horsepower. That is mine. We got an off-frame 97 Chevy, full frame off restoration. We're going to have a video for that one. I got a Honda CRZ, yes, CRZ, that I'm wrapping and turbocharging possibly. We got Cam's Civic. Don't know what we're gonna do with that one yet, so maybe we'll get some advice from you guys on how to do a budget, fun, crazy build. And one last one, my work truck is about to die. It was the last thing I have of my dad before he passed away, and it's on its last leg, so I'm gonna give it a nice 5.3 transplant. All right, let's get to the first one.
What's going on, guys? This is my Miata. This is going to be a budget-built LS Swap Miata. Our budget for the car is around $5,000. I already have like $1,200 invested. We're shooting for around 380 wheel horsepower NA. Might turbocharge later, might supercharge later. We don't know yet, but stick around for what we might do.
Go. Oh, got anybody around? Yo, do it for Dale. Do it for Dale. All right, we are off to finish the computer setup. What are we in, Cam?
We're in my 2001 Honda Civic EM2. It's all stock right now. We're planning on doing a turbo. Goal for this car though, it's just going to be like a clean daily driver. Right now AC doesn't work like typical Hondas, but I got all the hoses. I got a new AC compressor that's going to go in it. I'll record something like for that, get you guys a video for that. That's pretty much it for this car. It's just going to be a clean daily, lowered, wheels, wrapped. I'm trying to get some ideas for wrap, so if you guys got any colors that you want to see on the car, let me know, drop it down in the comments, and we'll for sure pick one of those colors.
All right, guys, there you have it. Our builds, the goals. Like, subscribe, leave some comments, some guesses what we're gonna do. And the first video of the series is gonna be with Cam's Miata. So we'll see you next week.